Up tonight, we have some personal box breaks. We randomed a box of Strata for Blackkats. I don't know if you're watching Blackkats, but I'll email you to make sure. And then we have for Templeton a Bowman's Best and a top of the class. I'm just going to do these together in one video. Chris is the kind of guy when he likes a certain thing, he doesn't care. Money's no object. He just wants it. Okay, Blackkats. I'm going to do yours first. Hope you're watching. If not, it'll be on YouTube. Strata. We randomed the box. I didn't pick it. Yeah. Trouble with the husband's fine. Well, that never happens. That hasn't happened yet. Your autograph is a good one. Trey Turner, 25 of 99. Blackkats. There you go. Oh, Trey Turner rookie. Blue. Very nice. And a Stanton patch, 75 of 75. That's a solid box of Strata 16 for Blackkats. Good job. And there's even more paper behind that. Nice Stanton patch. There you go. Blackkats. Let's see if Templeton can have the same luck. We'll do your top of the class first, Templeton. I have a hard time not breaking this stuff for myself. I love this. Yeah, they're random. There's TJ, Killishaw, Stipe, current champ, hopefully future champ again, past and future champ. The relic is Benavidez, 100 of 199. Joe Jits, is that his name? What's his name? Joe Jits? His nickname, I mean. Your autograph? The boyfriend, Travis Brown, relic auto. Rousey's man. And Antonio Bigfoot Silva. All right, Templeton, not the best box of UFC. That's all right, though, because we got Bowman's Best now and totally going to bring it home now. Earned income credit. Oh, man. Bogarts, Atomic. First autograph, Ozzy Albies, base auto. Second autograph, Will Craig on the Pirates. David Wright, 96. Johnny Damon, 96. We have a Chris Sale to 99. And Corey Seager insert. Last two backs better have autographs. Come on, baby. We have a Brendan Rodgers. Not bad. Brendan Rodgers. He's been showing up tonight like crazy. And one more pack. One more autograph. It is Zach Collins for the White Sox. Well, Brendan Rodgers was nice. Oak is nice. Once again, we only had one parallel. I keep thinking there's supposed to be 2 parallels per box, and then I keep doing personals where there's 1 parallel, and I don't know if I miss it or there's just only one. I think there's only one. Well, I'll ship all the cards anyway. All right, Templeton.